Now,
see if this quad works.
I haven't even checked to see if I got video yet. Hi guys, it's me again. Yeah, I have got stuck in a tree. I've tried hitting it with a stick. I've tried flying up there with a piece of string attached to the drone, and that failed miserably because the props kept cutting the string that I was using. This stuff, which is not very good. And it's really windy today, so the string was just blowing about all over the place. So now we are turning to drastic measures. My mate Chris has gone back off to fetch some drone retrieval equipment to try and get this damn thing out. It looks like Chris has turned up with a drone retrieval tool. Hopefully we can get this drone out of the tree. Right, here we go. Let's have a look at this thing. Yeah, no props, well, 2 blades on that one. No, none on that one. In fact, that, yeah, all it's got is the hubs left on it. And then I think, which motor was it? It was, you can see in there, completely torn the motor off the oh, and I've got none of my protective cover on this one anymore. I wonder if it saved the GoPro footage. Right, I have just put another screw in that motor that was literally hanging off, and it seems to be working. I plugged it in without the props on and armed it, and it seems to be spooling up okay. I'm just charging my GoPro quickly because it's completely dead. Put some new props on it, brand new props. Gonna see if this thing flies still. I'll be honestly surprised if it still flies the way it did before. I mean, some of the LEDs are falling off right in there. You can see that there. It's an LED missing on there. Right, let's do this. Yeah, I've got video still. Right, should I take off from here?
I'll stand back.
Huh.
I found your battery checker.
Huh?
Found a battery checker.
Yeah, it's my backup. It's because I can't find my normal one at the moment. Oh, tell me if all the props are spinning when I spin it up.
No. And, yep, you are.
Yeah?
Yeah.